Hi everyone, today I'm gonna talk about makeup. Yeah, so how can you start doing your makeup as a beginner? So, if you are a beginner and new to makeup, so you can watch this video and you'll get to know about makeup a lot. I'm sure that after this video, you'll get to know a lot about makeup and how to use them. I have never used a full face makeup growing up because growing up I totally ignored my femininity, and now I am trying to embrace it more. So I will be doing my makeup with the products that I already have. So let's do it. I have done my skincare. मैंने moisturizer use नहीं किया. I have just used the sunscreen. I'm using specs to keep my hair away from my face. First of all, you don't need to purchase a lot of things. There are some things that are essential when you are doing makeup and want that effortless look. But there are a lot of things that are not that much essential. They're just optional for a beginner perspective. Yeah, you can purchase them if you want, but they're not essential if you're just starting out. Okay, so growing up, whether you use makeup or not, we all have heard a lot of terms like foundation, concealer, bronzer, highlighter, blush, lipstick, lip gloss, and whatnot. We all see that when people do makeup, the first thing they apply is foundation, obviously after prepping their skin. So for prepping their skin as well, they use primer, and I think that primer is not necessary when you are starting out just as a beginner. You can prep your skin through skincare only. That would be more than enough. So for prepping your skin, only skincare would work. After that, if you want to use a primer, you can. Otherwise, you can directly move to foundation. Then foundation, next step is the foundation. Then foundation is also not necessary. Yeah, it's not essential, you heard me right. When you are just starting out, you don't need that full coverage of makeup, full coverage on your face. Even if you have acne, blemishes, or any acne spots or pigmentation, etc., you don't need the full coverage. That all of those things that you have on your face are natural. Everyone has that. Okay, सबके होते हैं. So it's not a sort of big deal. You can totally skip the primer and foundation part. In place of the foundation, you can use a tinted moisturizer. Please ignore the background voice because इतनी गर्मी में fan close करके तो कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. So basically foundation का काम क्या होता है? It gives you a full coverage of, and जो भी आपके dark spots या फिर जो भी आपकी uneven skin tone है, that gets covered. A tinted moisturizer or a tinted sunscreen that would give you some sort of coverage but won't give you the full coverage, and like बहुत cakey नहीं लगेगा. Why I'm telling you to not use the foundation is basically because right now you don't have the technique, you don't have the skill, and you don't know the technique of applying the foundation. Obviously you can learn that from internet. There are a lot of videos available. Now comes the next part, that is concealer. I believe concealer is the most important part. You need to cover some of your acne marks or blemishes or dark spots for that, and dark circles as well. No one should know that we're tired after scrolling till late night. Me too, girl. With concealer, you can put your concealer on your dark circles, on your dark spots on your face, so like acne marks or some of the pigmentation like around lips and around nose. Then when you're done with the concealer, you can move to eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, you can choose your colors based on your skin type, skin tone, and your undertone. I prefer nude colors. Then there's blush. I don't have eyeshadow as well, I had, okay, I had, but I had that when I was in like 9th or 10th grade, and that got expired. Uske baad bhi I was using that for the next 2 years, and finally I threw it out. I gave it to my younger cousin. Yeah, because he loved playing with makeup and all, so I gave that to him. Eyeliner. You can make the eyeliner with eyeshadow only. I have the liquid liner as well, but I don't like using it because it makes me look like I killed someone. For now I'm using this only, and I don't know how is it gonna turn out. Oh my gosh, these kids are scaring me. Please don't judge me, okay? I just know the use of products. I don't really have the technique of how to use them. I myself am just a beginner. Am I doing it right? Experience once, please tell me in the comments down below. Okay, I guess there is some difference. Oh, kiddo, I should cry. Not you. Okay, I don't have any brushes, so I'll be blending everything with my fingers only. Okay. Okay, I have some texture now. Then mascara is also a very necessary part. Mine is finished. मैंने ये बहुत पहले लिया था, बहुत पहले, only once. सिर्फ एक ही बार परचेज किया मैंने मेकअप प्रोडक्ट आज तक. That too when I didn't know anything. ये बिल्कुल सूख चुका है. There is nothing in it. Okay. It just combs my lashes and nothing else. Okay. I do have a lot of acne spots on my face, but I don't have anything to, cover it with. Can you see the sweat? This is my hard work for you, okay? So you better like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I'm done with the eyeliner. Yeah. Then bronzer is also a very necessary part, I believe, because it gives you definition. It gives your face a definition, Yeah. So bronzer is also very necessary, but I'm not using it because I don't have it. Yeah. Okay. Then obviously blush. Bro, you cannot escape blush, okay? It is an art for your face. Duh. Anyways, if you don't want to purchase a separate blush, you can use your lipstick as your blush as well. I believe we all do that, no? I do always use my lipstick as my blush because I don't have any makeup product, as I told you. Yeah, so I recently purchased this lip balm from Zudio. Yeah, broke kids. For 50 rupees. So I use this as my lip balm. It gives me some tint, It gives me a pink tint. You can also see this. Yeah, it gives me a light pink tint. Yeah. And then I use this as a blush as well. So there are a lot of different parts on your face जहाँ पे आप अपने blush को apply करते हो, तो आपका face structure या face का look थोड़ा change जाता है. So like you can apply a blush here from here, like eyes से यहाँ तक. Then you can apply it on your cheekbone. It gives you a lifted face look. Then you can apply your blush here as well. इससे you get a fuller cheek look, fuller face look. Yeah. Then you can apply it here as well. No, yeah. When you apply your blush here, you get fuller face look. And yeah, यहाँ पे apply करते हो तो आपका face छोटा लगता है. So like there are a lot of different kinds of techniques of applying blush as well. So right now I want my face to look, I don't know, I'm just applying it here. Can you see this is very little tint, but still it is at least something. When you don't have the makeup products, this is also very good. Baki, when you get your blush, you can use it as if you have a blush blindness. I will do it for sure. Can you see this is just a very little tint? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then you can use your blush under your eyes as well, because you know, for getting that Korean eye look, it looks very pretty, bro. I tried it. I have tried this many times with my lipstick only, and it looks so pretty. Yeah. This is a very childish makeup. Don't get inspired by this routine, you know. Once I purchase the real makeup, I am going to upload videos with that, with like real makeup. This is just a trial with the products that I already have. Yeah, also you can use beetroot as your blusher and lip tint as well. I had some beetroot powder, so I was thinking of using that. Yeah, let's see. So this is the beetroot powder, you know, if you can see this. I am putting some water on the beetroot powder. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So like if you have a beetroot powder, then you can use that as your blusher, you know. Oh, ज़्यादा हो गया क्या? Oh my goodness. Looks good, no? It does. I think my technique is so wrong. It's okay, we are just beginners. We're just trying it out. I think I want to do a live with you all. I'll be doing my makeup with all the beginners. Oh, let's use this as a lip tint as well. Is it gonna make any difference? Yeah, so when you are in a hurry and your makeup products are finished, you can use beetroot. Okay, you can see the difference. It does looks like makeup. मुझे अपना बचपन याद आ रहा है. Okay, I don't have anything else. In short, the makeup products you should have or purchase if you are a beginner and want to start your makeup journey are concealer, a tinted moisturizer or sunscreen, or a BB cream, then blush, eyeshadow, lipstick, and a setting powder. Yeah, that is very necessary. When you use a setting powder after your makeup, it gives you a very fresh look and your makeup doesn't get cakey, and it stays for a longer period of time. A concealer, uh, eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, bronzer, these are enough for your makeup when you're just starting out. And once you get a hold of technique of using your products, you can purchase foundation, primer, and all other products if you want, or else the ones that I mentioned are enough for a longer period of time as well. If you just want a clean girl aesthetic, or just natural makeup look, these are enough. Apart from that, you should focus on your skincare so that your skin barrier gets repaired and you get a smoother, or less a skin with lesser acne. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a good day and keep romanticizing your life. Bye bye. But if when you are so if you are so they, so